Hi guys and girls, welcome Digital Dynamos. In this trip, 184 divided by 184, which equals 1, and 184 divided by 184 equals 1. Now we have this problem, 1 divided by 1, which equals 1. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operations, we must do this division, then this division, and at last this division. So we have first this division, 184 divided by 184 equals 1. So we have 1 divided by 184 divided by 184, and we can write this part as 1 over 184 divided by 184. So we must keep the first fraction 1 over 184 and change division to multiplication times, then flip the second fraction 1 over 184, which equals 1 over 33,856, and this is our final answer for this problem. Thanks for watching, like, subscribe, and see you in the next one.